Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a site with AI. First, select an AI-powered website builder that aligns with your needs, whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer. Clearly define your website's purpose, target audience, and desired features. This initial planning phase is crucial for guiding the AI in generating a site that truly reflects your vision and goals. Many platforms offer a free trial for up to 30 days. AI website builders offer powerful features to streamline your process. They can automatically generate responsive designs, ensuring your site looks great on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Many platforms include AI content generators that produce compelling text, images, and even short video clips. You can also integrate essential functionalities like e-commerce stores or booking systems with just a few clicks, saving you dozens of hours. While AI provides a strong foundation, customization is key to making your site unique. Easily personalize the AI-generated design by adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand identity. Utilize AI-driven suggestions for search engine optimization, helping your site rank higher. Regularly test your website's performance across different browsers and devices to ensure a seamless user experience for all visitors, aiming for a load time under 2 seconds. Once your site is polished, it is time to launch. Publish your website using a custom domain name to establish a professional online presence. Continuously monitor website analytics to gain insights into user behavior, traffic sources, and popular content. Regularly update your site with fresh content and new features to keep it engaging and relevant, ensuring it remains a valuable asset for your audience for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.